Very good evening, my dear friends. Mayampuram Apu Kurumzari. I was just traveling on this road, and I saw on the roadside, on both side of the road, a lot of works are happening. The harvesting season is going on, and it's very beautiful. Just I thought that I'll stop by and I'll just spend some time over there. ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯧ ꯈꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯧ ꯃꯨꯜꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯎꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ I could not stop myself. ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯔꯤꯃꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯧ ꯈꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯖꯒꯦ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯏꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯒ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯟꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯔꯥꯒꯨꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯐꯧ ꯆꯦꯔꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯐꯧꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯑꯦꯚꯔ ꯀꯦꯖꯤ 4-5 ꯀꯦꯖꯤ 10ꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯣꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 50-100 ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯖꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯏꯆꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯅꯧꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯣꯐꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯁꯣꯐꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯝꯁꯤꯟꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯝꯁꯤꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯧ ꯈꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯐꯧ ꯈꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ harvesting ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯧꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯛꯄꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯦꯆꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ harvestingꯒꯤ process ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ so what I'm saying is that in my childhood there was an activity wherein we used to collect after the crops are being cut in the paddy field. So this kind of, some parts of the crops are left behind or those are remained on the field. And as a child, with some of our friends, we used to go to the field together. We used to collect this leftover, some parts of the crops which are lying in the field, and we used to collect those, and we used to again extract the paddy, rice from there, and whatever number of kgs we could collect, we used to sell those to our villagers. We used to find some pocket money out of that. Whatever number of whatever amount of money we used to get, maybe 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, we used to get during that time. It was a very valuable amount for all of us. It's very beautiful. I was just traveling, and I stopped by, and when I saw this kind of activities happening, there is a tractor which is coming, which is carrying some of the foods. Can you see this? There is a tractor nearby. It is carrying the rice. It is being collected from the field, and it is being carried to their households. And it reminds me of my childhood after looking at these kind of activities which is going on. In our childhood, in our village, everything used to be manual. There was no tractor. There was no, machinery kind of activity in the process of collecting the crops from the field or cutting the paddy plants. You know, uh, the whole environment which is going on out here, it is reminding me of those time, and it's very beautiful to come closer to nature. It is exactly not nature, I would say. It is a mix of nature and human efforts, because the human beings, we plant those petty plants, or the uh, in the process, what happens is that the paddy plants are, of course, the nature, and the way we are doing the cultivation is the efforts of human being. So the combination of nature and the efforts of human being gives us this kind of crop, and which helps us, for our food and for our way of earning money. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯣꯏꯒꯦ, ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯩ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ. ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯐꯔꯠꯁꯀ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯒ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯧꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯦꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯧ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ, ꯂꯧ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯒ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯃꯟ, ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤಯಿಂꯒꯤ, ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯒ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ, combination of nature-ga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯕꯒ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ, ꯂꯧ ꯎꯖꯕ, ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯃꯔꯣꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯐꯧꯗꯣ, ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯕ, ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯕ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ. So ngasi moment khara aina lambi da challingai matamsida sigumlaba nungsiraba fajaraba koi lobukta oiriba activity mayam koi lau khawbagi phau lokpagi matamse ujaba kanda aigi angang oringagi punsi memorize ta honbata natana wakanda nungsiba musu phawhonba maram aduna ai lambi da ngahak lakpasida mafumsida lepaga hariba nungsiraba moment asi mayam ga share tawjabani. As I was traveling along this road, as I saw this, beautiful thing happening, wherein a lot of people are in hard work, in a lot of activities. They are in the process of harvesting, collecting the crops, and they are in the process of, taking these crops to their households. And after this, maybe after a few months, again they will do something so that they will start. Uh, Growing some vegetables out here. They will plow this field with the help of tractors, and they will again, what they do is that they will again plant vegetables. That's how that will be different cycle of cultivation that will start. Si se loirakanda phau mahi marong mayam se phau sing se lokhatkraba kanda sigi matungda haiba mafam sida mu khoiraga machine bu oiro natraga manually oiro lau sing se khoiraga mu khoi vegetables injang nabi yensang nabi mu thabagi process amo orakani. It's very beautiful, it's very very, I would say it touches my heart, because it is closer to nature. It is closer to the most important thing which as a farmer people do, we do, and we all are farmers in fact. So my dear friends, since I have come live, taking this opportunity, I wanted to share two important updates with all of you. The first update is that sigi khudongchabase lawjaraga aihakna live lakchabagi khudongchabase lawjaraga aihakna ngasi aihaki important oiba update anidang ai mayamda share tawjage ngasi. The first aigi sigi video quality na singbasi kaya fajaram taba yai maramdi first time na sigi apps aigi phone da sigi naraga tawjari se aigi phone se battery se kitang low challe. The battery of my phone is going little low. I am on this app. So let me quickly complete these two updates, important updates that I wanted to share. The first one is that Bookflix Live every Sunday at 11 a.m. is what I had been airing, I had been broadcasting. and I will keep continuing that. And in the last 5 episodes of Bookflix Live, we have discussed, uh, many chapters of the Amazon best-selling book Life Without Eve. Um, Now, what I have, decided is that a lot of suggestions are coming from our viewers. A lot of people are giving so many good, encouraging comments about it, and many people are giving me calls. What I have decided is that I'll park here for a moment and I'll take 2 episodes wherein I'll be putting all those learnings that had been shared by the very amazing leaders like Mr. Sudipto Chaudhary and Mr. Joaquin Berge. I will be, summarizing all those important learnings in a very, very easy to understand manner in my own language, in the manner where my viewers can relate. And I will also talk about the bullet points of all the learnings that they have shared. They have shared so many, important ideas, so many steps, so many, strategies which will help us to achieve life success by design, to achieve success by design. Uh, However, what I feel is that this is the right moment to, park for a while and talk about and review about those learnings that those two great leaders have shared with all of us. And I will talk about those learnings, the practical steps that they have shared in bullet points, and I'll elaborate a little bit so that we can implement those in our lives in a better way. So, uh, my game on the any super important update in a country say mayanda share to jage na ngasi khanjari se wahan thok leiba punsi gi episode next episode se koi hauji hauji wahan thok leiba punsi da koi na chathar jari ba episode mayam si da hauji koi na leijari ba stage asi sigi stage da koi mindset human mindset ki matang da koi discuss story how to master the mind ngasi ki tayang pan si da koi ki mindset se master tawra ka kamai na punsi da wahan thok leiba punsi ama hingani haibagi matang da ai discuss tawjari lagibe episode lagibe episode haibadi Saturday ki evening 8:30 tarakpo matamda mayam puna mangna masak khangna biriba thoidok hendongna aina amuhanna introduction pijadragasu mayam puna mangna khangbi raba khoigi HOD Rimski Department of Psychiatry ki HOD mayam puna magna thoidok hendongna masak khangna biriba Sir Dr. Lenin lakpigani mahaka live ta wari sanajaraga ihagna ngasigi maitai macha singi punsida ngasigi ireija singi punsida oiriba akoigi mental amasung emotional akoigi phibam singsigi matang da haipet kupna nainajagani amasung akoigi punsida to succeed by design in our lives, to live a meaningful life. Wahan thok laina success kamaina achieve tawgani haibagi matangda aikoigi mindset sina loriba role asigi matangda aikoi Sir Dr. Lenin ga aikoigi in detail wari sanajagani hariba session asida mayam lakpiyu live lakpiraga mayamna hangbiniba wahang singsu hangbiba yagani Sir Dr. Lenin haribasi mahaka amutang unajage na khanjaba kanda mayamna ko queue lepdaraga mahake appointment launariba adu oiragasu ayam matamda phangdaba adu makhangi sing hairagadi adumati busy oijaba adumati miyambu serve tawbiriba adugumlaba makhalgi akoigi miyoi amani manipurgi leiriba miyam natraga maitai machasingi ko punsida akoigi mental health emotional health sida matam sangna thabak tawbiraba amasung yamna qualified oiraba ko aikoigi sarkar gisu regional institute of medical sciences RIMS ta yamna important oiba thaudang ma lobiriba adu kalgi mioi ni mahagna ko masamak in person laga live laga mayam gi question sing adum answer tawbigani maru oina ihangna hangjaga do ba question mayam du mahagna reply tawbigani haiba show sida mayam lakpiyu adgi kanaba lominasi mayam punamak wan thokleba punsi ama hingbada dakata masak sing akoi taminasi. To all my friends, to all my viewers, I'd like to request you to come on Sunday at 11 a.m. so that we can discuss together. We can discuss together the important steps or important key learnings that we have gathered in the last five episodes that we have had on Bookflix Live, and wherein Mr. Sudipto Chaudhary and Mr. Joaquin Birze have shared many powerful insights, many powerful strategies. I'll be discussing in detail about those learnings, and I'll talk about how to implement those practical steps that they have shared with all of us. Right? So I would invite all of you to come on this Sunday at 11 a.m. and let us try and implement those learnings. Okay. So I'll park while we will continue these episodes with Mr. Sudipto Chaudhary and Mr. Joaquin Birze. I requested them to just park here for a moment because I want to do a review of those learnings, summarize those learnings. Just look at this. If you can see this, I'm a little bit far away. I'll try to walk here. Uh, the, the the battery of my cell phone is also going really low. So anytime I may be out of this particular live video, however, I'd like to continue. So it's a great moment. I can't express the how I'm feeling now. It is reminding me of my childhood when I look at these activities which is going on in this paddy field, the amazing harvesting period. ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ memories, experience kaya adugi memories singdu yamna taseng imangda urakpa yamna nungsiba moment ni. So ai mafamsida thabak ama oina ko sengna hai thabak ama oina minute manga tara sida lepaga mayamga haipetang wari sanajabagi sigi tanja silawjabani mayamna nungsibiduna haiba video si yengbibagi damakta thagatchari. I'm really thankful, while I was traveling, I have decided that I'll take just 5-10 minutes time and savor this moment, enjoy this moment, which is making, making me remember all those childhood memories, really, really, uh, alive, coming alive now. So let me show this fire. I have come a little closer to this fire. They are just burning this dry, uh, you know, dry haze which are lying out here. Because after drying this, what they would do is, this is not something which is good though. So battery is really running out of my phone, of my cell phone. So my dear friends, I battery se phone ki battery se loi selak na mar moiraga matang asida bayam dagi kaina na bajat thang lijer nigeri. So lambi si sukra keno oi. Adana I am just struggling. The road is also not smooth, so I'm just the way is not smooth. I'm just struggling to walk out here. So I'm just taking you closer to the fire out here. But this is not something which is suggested by the people, by the learned people, because this is not good for the environment. This is not good for the soil as well. But they're doing this because they want to just cut short of this uh, harvesting activity very fast, and they want to plant something else. That's why, to save this time, they are doing this. Sigi tauriba thabak se mai thaba se mayam nadi kaya suggest tawdabani experts sing na si phatte hai environment ki damakta adubo si ekhoigi tradition amo ina dum tawnaraga lakpagi adum mayamna abi sumai thanari si sengnadi environment ki damakta koigi soil sigi damakta afaba thabak ama natte haibasidi mayamna haini. So my dear friends, here I am going to end this live session. I'll continue my journey. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this live show, which I have taken off for just 5-10 minutes. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay successful. Together, let's achieve success by design. Thank you so much. Bye bye.